Good morning, class, and welcome to another session of Computer System Servicing NC2. For this particular session, we will be discussing computer repair services. So, to start with, let us have our morning routine by an opening prayer. Amen. As we move along, these are the computer laboratory rules and regulations. Number one is to enter and exit quietly. Food and drinks are not allowed inside the computer laboratory. Print only with permissions. Organize your area before leaving, especially your mouse and keyboard. No running inside the computer laboratory. Never give your personal information, especially the password of your personal computers. And respect your classmates and teacher. As our daily routine, please clean your computers before using them. Okay, so why do we need to clean our computers? Very good. Para hindi siya masira, para maganda ang takbo, para mabilis ang response ng ating mga computers. So your answers will be considered as computer maintenance. And by definition, what is computer maintenance? Computer maintenance involves keeping a computer in good state of repair and physical health, especially the hardware components of our computer, like this one, and the software components of our computer, like this one. In computer maintenance, planning is very important, just like what you did in your entrepreneurship subject when you created your business plan. So, by definition, what is business plan? Very good. And computer maintenance plan procedure are a list of predefined procedures needed to keep a computer in good condition. So, I will be giving you a hard copy, printed copy of computer maintenance plan procedures for your reference. Get one and pass. So, what is the first computer maintenance procedure? Yes, assessing our hard drive space. And in our lesson during our first quarter, what is a computer hard drive? It is the primary storage of our computer. So, how are we going to assess the hard drive of our computer? Very good. The recommended space is only 80% of your hard drive. And assessing these hard drives, what is the maximum capacity to be used in 128 gigabytes of hard drive? Can we compute? So 128 gigabyte is 1.102.4 gigabytes. For 256 gigabyte, the 80% is 204 gigabytes. Very good. For 512 gigabytes, the 80% is 409.6 gigabytes. And for 1 terabyte, that is 800 gigabytes. What's the second step? So the second step is monitoring your computer temperature. The question is, how are you going to assess the temperature of your computer? Okay, very good. And what will happen if your computer exceeds the maximum temperature as defined in our computer maintenance procedure? So, pwedeng mag-overheat yung ating computer, mag-slow down, and eventually ay hindi nagagana or mababurnout na yung computer natin. Not just in our computer, kahit tayo din na mga tao, if we experience overheating, ay masama din sa ating kalusugan. Especially, nowadays, ang heat index ng Batangas is 43 degrees, which is considered as danger in dangerous in our health. If we convert this 42 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit, the formula is the degrees Celsius times 9 over 5 plus 32. So if we're going to convert the 42 degrees Celsius temperature in Batangas, what is the equivalent in Fahrenheit? That is 109.4 Fahrenheit. So very good. To beat the summer heat, we have different destinations or summer destinations here in Laurel. And what are those? Saan kayo pumupunta pag summer? We have Malagaslas and Kalinisan Beach Resort. What is the next procedure? Installing and updating antivirus software. And what is the built-in security protection for our computer like Windows 10? Okay, very good. The next one is, yes, checking Windows system and application. Now, how are you going to know if your Windows or Microsoft Word is not activated? Based on your computer maintenance plan and procedures. So, the indication is that may makikita kayong message doon sa right side ng inyong computer showing activate Windows, go to settings to activate your Windows. And the last procedure is, yes, to general cleaning inside the system unit. And what will happen if your computer is full of dust, just like the picture in our presentation? Okay, very good. So for our first activity, let us work it out by doing what is written in our computer maintenance plan and procedures. This is a group activity, 3 learners per group. So go to the desktop computer assigned to your groups and perform the maintenance plans and procedures by accomplishing the computer maintenance report. So I will give you a copy of computer maintenance report. Just follow the instruction and supply the necessary data during your computer maintenance plan and procedures. At the lower part of your computer maintenance report, sign your printed name and your signature. Okay, for our next activity, we will be having a group reporting wherein each group will present their assessment or findings on the assigned computer based on the maintenance report which you have accomplished during the previous activity. Okay, to wrap up this lesson, what are the computer maintenance plan procedures? Number one, next one, next one, and last one is to do the general cleaning inside the system unit. For our practical application, where can you apply the concept of computer maintenance in your daily living? Okay, very good. So for our formative assessment, please bring 1/4 sheet of pad paper. Write the letter of the correct answer. And for your assignment, I would like you to search into the internet for additional computer maintenance procedures aside from what we have discussed in this session, and create a new maintenance report and print it in an A4 bond paper. So let's call it a day and see you next session.